Good Monday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brett Luna, and we are off to a dry start this morning here in the Delta. Not seeing any activity going on over the past several hours on radar. So over the past 6 hours, dry conditions, but we are waking up to a foggy start. Several areas are seeing some dense, patchy fog this morning, and that's why you're seeing a lot of areas under this gray color that you're seeing right here for most of the areas along Highway 82 and south of Highway 82. That is a dense fog advisory, and that advisory is scheduled to last until 8 o'clock this morning. Temperatures right here in Greenville, we're at 54, winds coming out of the southeast at 6 miles an hour. Over in Greenwood, seeing similar conditions, just a degree higher in Greenwood this morning. It's 55 right now. Winds out of the east at 7 miles an hour this morning. A little bit of a wider look showing 57 in areas north of here. 57 this morning for Batesville and in Clarksdale. Further south, Jackson also coming in at 57. Vicksburg just a degree higher right now at 58. And we're seeing some areas in the eastern part of Arkansas only in the upper 40s early this morning. But right here on our Futurecast for the most part is keeping us dry for the rest of the morning. Only about a 10% chance for a few isolated light showers for the rest of the morning. But as we go on into the middle part of the afternoon, we will begin to increase our rain chance a little bit. And you can kind of see these isolated and scattered showers and thunderstorms. These are kind of forming out ahead of that main system that's going to be moving through later on today. So by 5 o'clock, there is going to be the chance for some isolated and scattered activity. Some of these thunderstorms by 5 o'clock even could be a little bit on the strong side. But then later on, just a few hours later, by about 8 o'clock, I think our more northern areas should be seeing some of this heavier activity moving in. So by 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, that line will be moving into our more northern counties, part of Bolivar County, on into Coahoma County, Quitman County, part of Desha County, Arkansas also being shown on Futurecast, seeing some of this rain. So that's what we're looking at by 8 o'clock. Moving on just a few hours later, by 11 o'clock tonight, this line basically lined up from Grenada County on down over here into West Carroll Parish, Louisiana. All these reds and yellows you're seeing right here on Futurecast, that is indicating some heavier rainfall. The green, just a little bit lighter in strength of the rainfall. But then for the rest of the night, that line will continue to quickly drop a little bit further to the south and to the east. So by about 3 o'clock, I think most areas will be rain-free. Most areas should be dry by about 3. Futurecast showing the heaviest of the activity still for our more southern and southeastern areas. And then by about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, I think a lot of us, if not all of us, should be off to a dry start tomorrow morning. And we should be holding on to these dry conditions for the rest of today and on into very early Wednesday morning. But then as we go throughout the rest of the day on Wednesday, we will begin to increase our rain chance a little bit, about a 40% chance for some showers on Wednesday. So there is going to be the possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms as the system moves through overnight. And with that said, the Storm Prediction Center has issued their outlook, and it has most of our area under this orange color. That's the enhanced risk on their scale. That's a 3 out of 5. Everybody in the yellow area, that's just the far southern and southeastern counties in our viewing area. Everybody in this yellow color, that's the slight risk. That is a 2 out of 5 on their scale. But really, anybody, anywhere in either the orange color or the yellow color, there's going to be the possibility for some strong damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour. That should be coming into play late, very late this afternoon into very early tomorrow morning. So we are going to see that possibility. Also, 1 or 2 tornadoes cannot entirely be ruled out as this system pushes through. And as far as rainfall amounts go, probably going to see about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall as this system moves across the Delta. But for today, should be able to reach into the mid-70s, 74 by 2 o'clock, 75 at 4 o'clock. We'll be down to 72 at 6 o'clock. A little bit later on tonight, temperatures dropping down into the upper 50s, going with 58 for the low tonight, mostly cloudy. Once again, those showers and thunderstorms possible tonight. Strong thunderstorms likely, and there will be the chance for some of those severe thunderstorms as well. Then for tomorrow, temperatures a little bit above average, 74 for your high tomorrow, partly sunny. Should be dry for most of the day tomorrow, keeping the winds out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then on your 7-day forecast right here, Wednesday and Thursday, that rain chance will begin to jump up a little bit more, 40% chance for some showers on Wednesday and Thursday, 66 on Wednesday, 60 on Thursday, Friday only 55. And for the weekend, should be clearing out and drying out, sunny skies, 57 on Saturday, 59 on Sunday, and then real quick, low temperatures Friday night could drop down into the mid-30s.